Hi everyone! In this video, we'll learn how to control LEDs on and off with an infrared remote. An infrared sensor kit includes an infrared transmitter and an infrared receiver. Here, the IR remote is the transmitter. IR remotes are common in our daily life. They are applied in air conditioner remote, TV remote, etc. Some smartphones support the IR remote function. You can use to control multiple devices with just one mobile. Infrared signals can be completely received without errors after being modulated and demodulated. To prevent interference by other infrared signals during transmission, these signals are often modulated onto some specific frequency carrier and transmitted by the IR LED. The infrared receiver will fill out other signals, so only these with the specific frequency can go through and be restored to binary pulse code, i.e., the demodulation process. Note: do not cover the IR remote with anything when in use, otherwise the receiver may not be able to receive the signals. These are the key and values on the IR remote. The upper one is a decimal value and the lower that has a decimal one. For the circuit, just connect the data pin of the IR receiver module to pin 11. The LED light on the module is used for the LED function. First, include the library file irremote.h. Select the project, open the library manager, type in IR remote in the text box. Press enter to search. Select the latest version, click to install. Define LED and IR receiver pins. Set the pin as the IR receiver pin. Define a variable for IR signals received. Set the serial baud rate as 115200. Set the LED pin as output. Initialize the IR receiver. Define a variable to receive IR signals demodulated. If the IR sensor receives the IR signals, demodulate the signals. Print the value on the window. If it's 1, light up the LED. If the value is 2, turn the LED off. Start to receive more signals. If the function is missing, the IR receiver will not work. Press key 1 on the IR remote. You'll see 1 displayed on the serial monitor window and the LED will light up. Press key 2, the value 2 will be displayed on the window and the LED will be turned off. You may try more keys and the values will be displayed accordingly. So that's all for this video. Thanks.